Welcome back to week 3 of getting our home clutter-free by Christmas. For week 3, we're going to be diving into our closet. I did a closet makeover probably a month or so ago, maybe a little longer, but I will leave that linked in the cards and in the description box in case you're interested in watching. I purged everything and I gave it a brand new makeover using some hacks from TikTok. But the one closet I didn't touch was Mr. C's. So I'm going to dive into his closet. We're going to purge some items and we're going to put everything into 3 categories, and that's going to be trash, treasure, or transfer. For some of us, going through our closet is a huge undertaking. Sometimes it's very emotional because we have attachment to certain clothes, or we say in the future, I may wear this if I lose a few pounds. So when you hold on to things like that and you keep looking at it, sometimes you feel guilty about it and you just want to let it go. So I would advise for items like that, just let it go. It's just a piece of clothing. You can get more in the future, but to go in your closet and see it purged, see it just looking so beautiful, it will give you such a fresh start. It'll make you feel so much lighter as well. This is why I like to tackle a category each week. Think of it this way, it is Friday, we're gonna tackle this. We've got the whole week to do it until we get into week 4 for the next category we're gonna purge. Whoa, babe. Oh, hey, babe. What are you doing? Decluttering your closet. Were you going to let me know you were doing this? Nope. Whoa. Not that shirt. That's my Sunday shirt. That shirt. This shirt with the holes in it. This shirt. Okay, I'm going to regret asking this, but why do you call this your Sunday shirt? Because it's holy. Yep. Knew I'd regret asking. So we're doing dad jokes now. That joke never gets old. You know, babe, I married you for your body, not for your humor. I know, babe. My humor is just a bonus. I wouldn't consider that a bonus, babe. Yeah, the total package. I wouldn't consider that a bonus.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little.
I can't give my husband too much grief over the status of his closet because I was using it to store some of my feather pillows in. So it's not all his fault. I'll take some of the blame, but not all of it.
Shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone else.
I will say it's a lot easier and less stressful to clean out Mr. C's closet than my own. If you missed the video where I had TikTok help me organize and declutter my closet, I will leave that linked in the cards. Took me a little while, but it looks beautiful. It looks like a little showroom. So yeah, this is not going to take as long. It's not going to be as pretty, but it'll be clean and decluttered.
Shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. welcome to. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around. And then I remember all things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, I'm not ready, let me have
I hope you guys feel so good about purging your closet and making it look so beautiful and more airy and spacious. Sometimes this is the hardest area to tackle in our homes because we can accumulate clothing so easily, especially if you're like me and you love to thrift. You can get things very cheap, and so you'll just pack your closet full of stuff. I am guilty of that, and I know for me, having my closet look a lot more streamlined along with Mr. C's, it brings this sense of lightness, this sense of airiness, this sense of, I don't have so much in my closet that I feel guilty at looking at all the time because I don't wear it. Just purge yourself of this. Trust me, it is a very emotional thing to do, but I think you will enjoy the process. Well, you may not enjoy the process, but you're going to love the after, the way it looks once you get everything out of your home. Guys, if you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you join this community. This year, I am trying to get more structure in my home. I am decluttering, I'm doing room makeovers, I'm organizing spaces in my home. I do decorate with me, along with showing you routines and habits that I am trying to establish for myself to bring more structure to my life in 2022. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one.